In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Copilot AI on Windows Server 2026. This is a quick and straightforward task, and we'll do it using the local group policy editor. If you're managing a server environment and want to turn off Windows Copilot for administrative, security, or policy reasons, this method gives you a reliable way to apply that change. To get started, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box, which is a fast way to launch built-in Windows tools without digging through menus. Once the Run box appears, type gpedit.msc and then press Enter. That will open the local group policy editor. This utility lets you manage system behavior and Windows features through policy settings, which is why it's commonly used in server administration. When the editor opens, go to the left-hand sidebar. You'll need to expand a few folders in order. First, expand Computer Configuration. Under that, expand Administrative Templates. Next, expand Windows Components. Then click on Windows Copilot. Take your time here and make sure you select the correct folder because the policy we need is located specifically in that section. After clicking Windows Copilot, move to the right-hand pane. You should see a setting called Turn Off Windows Copilot. Double-click that setting to open its configuration window. In the window that appears, select the enabled option. This can seem a little counterintuitive at first, but in this case, enabling the policy means you are enabling the rule that turns Copilot off. So if your goal is to disable Copilot, enabled is the correct choice here. Once you've selected that option, click Apply in the bottom right area of the window. Then click OK to save the change and close the policy setting. Applying first and then confirming ensures the new configuration is recorded properly. The final step is to restart your server. A restart is important because it allows the new policy setting to take full effect across the system. After the reboot, Windows Copilot should be disabled according to the policy you just configured. And that's all there is to it. This is one of the simplest ways to control Copilot on Windows Server 2026 using built-in administrative tools. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful server administration guides.